Yo, YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? No, y'all know how we do this, man. Retro family, retro gang. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kits coming back at you in a shoebox. You see the thumbnail. Travis Scott's on deck. Before we do this, I'm gonna set this down, man. I'm gonna open them up. No worries, no cap. You know how, look, you know how me and Maddie do by now, right? Look, check this out, man. I gotta get something off my chest real quick. Please forgive me. This is for nobody. Don't get offended. This is the official Give Back channel. We're doing raffles. We're doing giveaways. We're gonna keep helping the less unfortunate in my hood and your neck of the woods. If you got a campaign and something you want to run by me and Maddie, DM me. We got you. Like I was saying, if y'all don't know, we been giving out heat. I'm finna run y'all down the list real quick. Bear with me, gang. Family, y'all know what's poppin'. Bear with me. YouTube. Let me introduce myself. Retro Rick, we gave away the infrared. Sixes, under retail. With the Nike on the back. Jordan 6. You know how many pairs we gave away? 1, 2, 3 pairs under retail. Then we got them go for like 170, 160 on other feeds on YouTube. Check that out. Off-Whites, the 90s, Self Haley. What's up, man? Holla at me and Maddie. Y'all won the pair. This the video y'all watching behind us. With me and my boy, the shoe butler. You know what I'm saying? Self Haley. Let them people know we official now. Let them know what happened. You got the 90 Off-Whites, the 10s. Really? For retail. That particular pair, I had to, help the less unfortunate with the food drive. It did what it's supposed to do. Get that out the way. What else we give out? I give out the Yeezy Salt 700s. No, I'm sorry. My apologies. The 500. The 500 salts, gave them away for retail. Spider-Mans, Jordan 1s, retail. Penny Hardaways, free raffle. Giveaway for the kids. Gone. When the Concords drop, the 4-5s on the back, 5 pairs. 5 pairs. My God, these shoe butler, Munchie Bucks, Neff Dollars, everybody helped out with that campaign. We was at the pop-up in Atlanta, giving out shoes for retail, shipping everything out the door with the sneaker launch bag. Look, man, stop playing with the kid. So y'all thought, look, the pop-up was gone, it was over with? I told you I'm not trying to offend nobody or nothing, but we're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heated content. What I need y'all to do right now, hit the like button, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm not going to keep saying this. My channel is not monetized. I'm not doing it all right now, but we will. You know why? I'm going to keep doing these raffles. We got to give out these free raffles. Keep the shoe community, informed. Keep y'all linked in as possible. So let's get right into it with these Travis Scott ones unboxing. Look, I ain't opened the box up. I was saving it for the game, for the fam. Let's get it, YouTube. Let's check this out, man. See what's going on. Yeesh. Yeesh. Told y'all. That's the new word. Sheesh. All right, gang. Box these. Don't worry. We're going to hit the wall. Open these things up right now. Get right into it. Okay, we got brown paper. Hold up. I'm tripping. What this box is. Box look brown. Compared to the rest of the boxes, I'm going to show you how that in a second. The box is brown. Set this down. Nike box. Let's see what's coming up with. Air Jordan 1 High OG. TS SP. Travis Scott special. 175 retail game. See what's going on. Let's get right into it, man. Jeez, I don't know. Y'all been following me on the feed. I noticed something different right now when I flip the box. The box red. Red with a check. I got plenty of Nike boxes behind me, OG ones. I promise you. But we start flipping lids, red. So presentation looking real good right now, gang. Okay, we got the little emojis. We got the little Travis Scott, the smiley faces on it. This is like pink. I apologize if it's not coming up. Don't worry, the 4K camera is on the way. Let me come in a little bit, just a little bit, show y'all this pink. See the pink? You got the emojis, Cactus Jack, Nike. All right, I had to show y'all the wall ASAP. So we on the wall right now. YouTube, y'all know what's going on. This one we get up close and personal with these kicks. Let's get right into it. So we got the pink, got the emoji paper, Nike, even the Air Jordan wings, Travis Scott emoji, Nike Air. Unbox these things. Okay, immediately, you see that, right? I don't know, there's going to be a legit check in the future, however you want to do it. I know it's coming up. You see that? Cactus Jack. Sheesh. This check here is smaller compared to other shoes. We're going to get into that in a minute. Don't go nowhere. We're going to do some comparisons of some of Retro Rick's, personal picks, some heat I got. I want to compare, with all this hype. But right now, looking at it, y'all see that? See how this wave moving? So far, so good. Still sticking to the story, sticking to the script. They killed me on that. So look, if y'all don't know, this pair here is going to go away on a raffle. We're going to get into that too. Let's keep getting this leather here on this check is A1. They just flipped the check around on me. They killed me. Now, look how everything moving. Then you got this Air Jordan here that's stamped in. It's in there. Trust me. I pulled out other shoes to confirm when I realized the box was brown and it had the red, box. On the back, A1. Come on, man. Emoji on the back, Cactus Jack. Then what I did notice on the ankle support, that's totally different. That's like a nylon. Ain't nobody saying nothing about that. Talk to me now. That's a little bit different. We're going to get into that. And this check here, like I said, this is a smaller check. So look, let's get right here on the tongue. Of course, you got the Nike Air. Trademark. You got Cactus Jack. I wonder how much they paid the kid for this shoe, man. How much they paid Man, look, how much they paid Travis Scott? Got to know. See everything official. We're going to go ahead and take out, just take out the shoe tree here, the insole. What's that shoe tree? Got the size. You see the size now. So y'all know what's popping. If y'all know my size, we're going to leave it at that. Inside, you got Cactus Jack inside. You see that? You got Cactus Jack on the inside. Sheesh. Okay. Now this nylon, what I was talking about, fam. Let me show y'all something in 1 second. Before I do that, your boy got a lace fetish, right? Look how many laces they give us. Look, I'm going to give y'all a detail review. I ain't going to cap y'all on this one, man. Everybody been waiting on this one. You got the brown laces. You got the pink laces. You got red laces. You got like the off-white cream laces. Then it comes with a pair of laces. So on that tip, Nike, y'all winning. Your boy got a lace fetish, like I said. And then right here, he got this grandmama. Like man, Maddie say, crocodile. Look how I push it. Look how long it take to come up. Still ain't coming up yet. Dope. Give you that. Of course, this one still got the Cactus Jack. Y'all can see that. You can't see it if you're really looking at the shoe. You gotta put the light on it. So I apologize for the shadow. I wanted to put much light on this shoe as possible so I can see everything that's going on, even when I do that. Look at that. Okay, stop playing. Brown bottom. Once again, we're going to pull out the other shoe tree. Laces, Nike Air. See the size. The gang know what's popping. Retro family know what's popping with that size. Once again, you got the Travis Scott emoji on the back. And this, this check here. Once again, that leather. Yeesh. A1. A1 since day one. Holla at me, fam. Okay. So, now what we do, this part of the video, I ain't going to pause it. I'm going to keep it going. I know everybody want to know what's going on. I've been hearing people saying about this compares to other shoes. So we're going to just show you. I'm going to give you my honest opinion besides the check. But before I do that, look, man, stop playing. I ain't seen nobody do this. stop playing with the kid, man. I'm gonna string y'all along now. That's what y'all want to do? We can do this. They showed y'all a little pocket, right? Dope. See that red? What I noticed, right? The box red, right? I'm gonna get y'all to this box. Matter of fact, let me show y'all this stamp in here. Let y'all know everything official. Box red and inside, right? And actually, this box is heavier and harder than any other Nike Jordan 1 box I got. Once again, trust me. Of course, retail $175 plus tax in your neck of the woods. But back into this. Everybody know about the little stash spot. Red in the inside, but peak game. Can you hear me now? Stop playing with the kid, man. Velcro all the way around. That I did not know. So it's like all the way. Come on, man. Seriously? If another color wave come out, I'm going to keep it. But y'all know what's going on with this pair. I'm going to explain to y'all on the next couple of videos coming out. But I had to show y'all that. It's on both shoes, by the way, gang. It does it, on both shoes. So I had to let y'all know what was going on. So we're going to set this back in the box. We're going to keep one out. So the paper dope, man. So shout out to the presentation, whoever packed this stuff up. I promise you, everything Gucci. They did that one right, man. When I say Gucci, I ain't plugging Gucci. In my neck of the woods, Gucci mean good. So I'm gonna get that out the way now. Okay. So now, we're gonna get right into it, right? Rookie of the years. It's a totally different in the leather. You can see the grandma wrinkles on that one. The check, this is what I was talking about, gang. This check on this Jordan 1 is big. This one's a little bit smaller. This one's kind of, downsized a little bit. So y'all can take a look at that. But let's do this. See that? We're going to get this out the way. We're going to start eliminating all the shoes right now. Don't do the same thing, but it's close. Now, up here, it's different. So we can't compare these two. But this A1 leather here, that's like a nylon. But we know why that's nylon. Okay, you see the wrinkles? You see the check on the wrinkles on that one? Once again, no cap. You see the Cactus Jack with the wrinkles on this one. So I see where the height coming from now. Look, I ain't sold, but your boy see where the height coming from. I'm going to give you my honest opinion now. I'm going to keep y'all linked in the forum. You can believe that. You got the black bottom on these, the rookie of the years. You got the brown bottom, pretty much. Is the cut the same? Y'all tell me which one's higher, which one's lower. Kind of look the same to me. I know on this particular Sports Illustrated, you got the Nike kind of leather on this one. I did notice that with the rest of them. Oh, hold up. No, it ain't. So, sticking to that one. But there you go. So, me, if I was going to vote, I'm going to get both of y'all toe boxes right now. That's that toe box. Once again, let's do this. See how that's holding? We're going to do this one on this one toe box. This one holds too pretty good. That's why they, people saying that. But I was going to vote. I'm going to put these to the side. No cap. All right. So I got another one right here. See what's going on. Let's go and compare them. Keep y'all linked in the forum. Soft. This way everybody, look, this the one everybody talk about now. Soft. Sheesh. Softer. No cap. Look, y'all do your own comparison. I don't care. Do what you want to do. Like I tell everybody, your collection is your collection. We're going to turn to the back. Once again, we know what's going on with the back. You got the Travis Scott emoji on this one. But still, though, on this one, this way they say everybody it started from. Let's get on this left detail here. Nice. Once again, you see the wrinkles on this one? We're going to bring it in. Now let's look at the wrinkles on this one. Okay. Even on the check, that's showing up real good. Even the swoosh backwards or upside down or left up or whatever you want to call it. Hey, it's there. Grandma wrinkles. Yo. All right. See what's going on. So I had to hit y'all with the reverse ones. So now I see the difference. Of course, you can see. Man, look at that leather on these guys here. Of course, legit check. Don't play with the kid. Orange bottom. Check here. You know, let me take the shoe tree out on this one. Look at that. Look at that leather all the way around on this one. We're gonna get back into the Travis Scotts. Let's get it. Look at that. It's still ain't coming up. No cap. Look how long this take to coming up. Here she come. I gotta get it right myself. Oh no, now, gang. These are the shoes everybody was talking about. With the leather. Now, quality wise, even though I'm not digging the check and how they flipped it, Travis Scott still winning. No cap. Of course, then you got all the laces, man. Come on, man. Too many laces on deck. So we're gonna get this one out the way. Sheesh, man. Come on. Are y'all entertained? Y'all want me to do another pair real quick? Hey, hold up, man. I got to go ahead and reach up here in the shoebox. Got to go and hit the stash. Yo, do me a favor. Check out this video. How I won these shoes right here. Do me that favor, please. This might be the video that I have everybody enter to win the Travis Scotts for the giveaway. I'm stringing y'all along. Don't forget about the giveaway. It's coming up on the Travis Scotts. I got to let y'all know how I'm going to do it. Do not drop your sizes. I'm going to tell you that right now. Your boy don't have access to all them crazy sizes, so it's going to be one size. And once I get some more pairs, when your boy head to Chirac, I'm going to Chicago. Mama, I'm coming home. Your boy coming to Chicago. I got some stuff working out in Foot Action and the other locations out there on State Street. Trust me, man. If I hit on the app at Foot Action, I'm going to be in Chicago, man. So look, this is the other pair, man. These are not for resale. They're no photos. We're going to get right into this. I appreciate y'all for watching. Still watching. I really do. Let's get that in the camera. We got the no photos. I ain't going to go, like I said, go check out the other video. If y'all want to see a little detailed review on that. Of course, these said wear me. But I just want to do a comparison real quick. Okay. Now we're going to get... All right, gang. Now, look, don't get mad at me right now. But when I'm looking through the camera, I can't compare these. You know why? Watch the video, man. The no photos go hard. The Travis Scotts go hard. But look, I'm not going to cap on y'all. In my personal opinion, if I was going to, choose, I'm going to choose the no photos. That's why we're going to get a Travis Scott's away. When we get to the 5K, you heard me, when I get to 5K and my boy Mike Rich from the Rich Nation get to 300K, we're going to do the giveaways on the Travis Scott's. I'm going to work anywhere between from an 8 to a 12, maybe a 13. Please do not drop your sizes on this video. If anything, hit the like button, support, share, tell a friend and tell a friend. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Detailed review. You know what your boy said, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Man, there's still a whole lot of gang. Look, man, I'm coming home. Coming to Chicago. Look, man, I got some stuff working out. Let's get it, gang.